When can I enroll in health insurance in Altamonte Springs, Florida? This is a serious issue at this period. The people responsible too were aware of the fact to bring this to people. We obtain something from it or we pay money for not using it. It looked to be a little harsh in the beginning, later it is found to be an investment made to secure the life for future. The problem is the difference in plans and the amount to be invested in each plan. Our plan made us to wait for a longer period as it could make a loss of about $1,000 per month for a family of 3. The amount will not be enough for the medicines prescribed by doctors. We thought that it was unwanted and it would be not helpful for us at the later stages. Sacrifices are to be made by everyone and it is a part of life. Find out the best way that could make you and your family feel good for a longer period of time. It is not possible to find out a person could meet with an accident or health disorders. These conditions can be sorted out only by investing in insurance and medical aid. This will resolve you and your family from a later crisis. And in case if you're unsure about the various health insurance plan available, then you can get a health insurance quote from many online websites.